Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn off the option to turn off the screen by covering it with your palm. For example, right now, if we cover our screen with our palm, the screen will turn off. If we don't want this option to be there, we have to go to Settings, then in Advanced Features we have Motions and Gestures, and here it is, Palm Touch to turn off screen. Uncheck this box, and now it does not turn off. Let's leave it on. By default it's turned off, but for example, if this function is needed or not, you can find it in this little menu right there. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.